In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Google Docs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're signing off on a document, finalizing a letter, or simply adding a personal touch, having a digital signature can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to open up our web browser. You'll want to search for Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into the search bar and hitting Enter. Once you've found the official site, go ahead and click on the link to open it. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step should smoothly take you to your Google Docs homepage. If not, you might need to log in by entering your Google account credentials. Just make sure you have handy access to those. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a list of your documents. Go ahead and select the document where you want to insert the signature. You can either create a new document or open up an existing one. Now that our document is open, let's insert our signature. Navigate to the top menu bar and look for Insert. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Drawing and then New. This opens up a fresh drawing window for us to work in. Here's where the magic happens. In this drawing window, you'll see a series of icons at the top. Click on the line icon. It's usually represented by a small diagonal line, which will bring up another drop-down menu. From these options, you'll want to choose Scribble. This feature allows you to draw freehand lines, perfect for creating an authentic signature. Now you're set to draw your signature. With the Scribble tool selected, click and hold down the left mouse button and start signing your name in the drawing box. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. You can easily clear it and start over if needed. It might take a couple of tries to get it just right. Once you're happy with your signature, we need to save it. Look towards the top right of the drawing interface and click on Save and Close. This action will automatically place your newly created signature directly into the Google Docs document as an image. You can adjust the size and placement by clicking on the signature and dragging the corners or repositioning it within your document. And there you have it. A personalized signature seamlessly incorporated into your Google Docs file. This simple process not only enhances the professionalism of your documents, but also saves you the hassle of scanning and uploading handwritten signatures. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.